Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're reviewing this piece of keyboard that I got from my grandmother about 15 years ago. It's a great keyboard. It features duct tape. Just kidding. This thing's a piece of Let's get to the real deal. So today, we have a new channel, CBN Tech. We'll be reviewing graphics cards to keyboards to computers. Let's get with it. So we have this Red Dragon keyboard on Amazon for $40. The features include a cherry green equivalent mechanical switches, and two modes, a solid backlit mode, which you can dim and make brighter, and then a pulse mode, which you can speed up or slow down. And it's not for silent gaming, so this is a keyboard that is loud. It's a mechanical keyboard, of course, so it's gonna be that way. So if you want something that's silent, don't buy this keyboard. It's got a lot of features. It supports Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP or later operating systems. Now, that's a lot. So if you're still using XP, I don't know why you would, but okay. Let's go on. So what's in the box? You get the keyboard, of course, the user guide, and the warranty card. Let's read some of the reviews. So the review says, keys feel cheap. Still not terrible keyboard. Now, I bought this keyboard about a month ago. I think it's a pretty good keyboard. Haven't had any problems with it. Another one is it's the budget backlit. Now, I agree with that. You're not going to go out online and find a good mechanical backlit keyboard for under $40. You might, but it might be some Chinese sketchy company. Now, let's read another review. It says, lots of cool features, great price. I agree. Very great price. Now, when I went on to research this keyboard, I could not find a good link. I went on Google and typed in reddragon.com, and I couldn't understand because there was several Red Dragons. So I had to kind of just go to reviews on Amazon. So, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, the link is in the description below to buy it, and peace out.